In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to gift someone Steam points in just 5 minutes. Let's get started by navigating to your Steam app. Make sure you have it installed on your computer and that it's up to date. Once you have that sorted, go ahead and open it up. When you launch the Steam app, you'll be prompted to log in. You'll see the login button in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on that to proceed. If you're not automatically directed to the login page, simply navigate there by entering your details. Ensure you have your account name and password at hand, as you'll need to enter them here. After you've filled in your credentials, click on the sign in button. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Steam homepage. From here, look for the store button in the main menu. Clicking on this will take you to the Steam store. Once you're on the store page, head over to the search bar. It's typically located at the top of the store's homepage. In the search bar, type Steam gift cards and hit enter. After you've searched for the Steam gift cards, you'll see a list of results. Click on the Steam gift cards option from the results. This will take you to a new page where you will see several options related to gift cards. What you'll want to do next is look for the option that says send a digital Steam gift card and give that a click. On this page, you'll now see various denominations of gift cards available for purchase. Choose the one that fits your budget or the amount you'd like to gift. Once you've made your selection, you'll have to enter the recipient's name. Once that's filled out, click continue. With that step completed, you're almost there. You'll now be directed to the payment page. Here, just follow the on-screen instructions to process your payment. Make sure everything is correct before proceeding. After you've completed the payment process, the gift card will be sent to your friend. Your friend will then receive a notification from Steam to accept the gift card. It's essential for them to accept it in order to add the funds to their Steam wallet. Once they've done that, the funds will be there waiting in their wallet ready to use. And just like that, your friend can now utilize these funds to purchase Steam points, which they can use across the Steam platform. It's as easy as that. You've now successfully sent your friend some game enhancing points on Steam. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.